Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead. Today we're making potato bread using my bread machine. After much research and many tweaks and twists and turns here, I finally come up with a recipe that my husband and I really enjoy. So we're going to start off with 1.5 cups of warm, not too hot water. Ideal temperature is about 115 degrees. And I'm going to be using my Curtis Stone bread maker. In a bread maker, water is always the first ingredient. Next up is the butter. I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons. I think that's right about 3 tablespoons, so I'm just going to kind of put that in the corners. Let me grab another clean knife. Okay, next up is the egg mixture. So just kind of mix up an egg. These are farm fresh from our homestead. One egg. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. And I'll put this in one corner in the bread maker, and the salt will go in the opposite corner. And for salt, I need 1.5 teaspoons, and my measure actually is a 1.5 teaspoon. And 4 cups of bread flour. Just kind of mound it in there. And 2/3 cup of potato flakes. I like the Idaho instant potatoes, but just instant potato flakes. Just put that in there. And then we're going to put just a little well with the spoon, just a little hole kind of in the middle, an indent. And we're going to add 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. So my measuring spoon has an indentation around it, so it's both a 1 teaspoon and a 1.5 teaspoon. So we'll do the 1.5 first, and then the 1. Now I buy mine by the jar, but make sure it's the bread machine instant yeast. And then I'm just going to close the lid. Make sure it's plugged in. And I'm making a 2.5 pound loaf, so I need to change to a 2 pound, and I'm going to I have to go through them and get to menu 1. There it is. Okay, so it's on 1, and I do a light crust. And so now I just basically wait. My bread machine will take 3 hours and 5 minutes to complete this loaf. So once it's done baking, I'll be right back with you. So I have most of my mess cleaned up in the kitchen now, but I just wanted to kind of touch base with you real quick. And you can hear the machine is doing its thing. It's mixed it up, and now it's going through and kneading it and continuing to mix it. And then it will rest on its own, and then it will knead it again as needed. And I just love having a bread maker. It makes everything so easy. So I'll be back when the bread's done. Okay, so my bread is done, and I've taken it out. This here is the little paddle that goes in the bottom. We just want to get that out before it cools too much and the bread's too set. Now mine is light by design. I chose light, but you can also select medium or dark if you prefer. I just find that the darker it is, the tougher the outside is, and I like my bread to be pretty soft. The other thing I like to do is to put a thin layer of butter. It keeps the outside or the skin softer. Now you would not want to put this away for at least a couple hours. It needs to cool completely. And then I slice it once it's cooled and put it in a gallon Ziploc, and it fits great. Excuse me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. A quick, simple method that's also delicious. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments. What are your favorite kinds of breads to make in your bread maker? I'm anxious to see what you say. Have a great day. God bless. Thanks for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead.